dire.
Louis dire. Lecture apéritive.
Lecture apéritive!
House Made of Dawn, Scott Momaday. Dipolo. There was a house made of dawn. It was made of pollen and of rain, and the land was very old and everlasting. There were many colors on the hills, and the plain was bright with different colored clays and sands. Red and blue and spotted horses grazed in the plain, and there was a dark wilderness on the mountains beyond. The land was still and strong. It was beautiful all around.
Abel courait. Il était seul et il courait. Après un départ pénible, il s'était mis à courir avec aisance. La route dessinait une courbe devant lui et s'élevait dans le lointain. Il n'apercevait pas le village. La vallée était grise de pluie et les dunes encore couvertes de neige. L'aube se levait.
The first light had been deep and vague in the mist, and then the sun flashed, and a great yellow glare fell under the cloud. The road verged upon clusters of juniper and mesquite, and he could see the black angles and twists of wood beneath the hard white crust. There was a shine and glitter on the ice. He was running.
Il voyait les chevaux dans les champs et en contrebas les méandres de la rivière. Pendant un instant, le soleil fut entièrement caché par les nuages, puis une éclipse se forma et une ombre dense obscurcit la terre. Abel courait.
He was naked to the waist, and his arms and shoulders had been marked with burnt wood and ashes. The cold rain slanted down upon him and left his skin mottled and streaked.
La route tournait au loin, en direction du banc de pluie, et Abel courait. Sous le soleil hivernal de l'aube, dans le paysage clair de cette longue vallée, il semblait presque immobile, tout petit et très seul.